Hi guys, I've got 8 FireAngels to replace. This is the original base that came with my original fire alarm, but when I tried to put the base that's supplied, this wire here I've just screwed in, and the base, but as you see it doesn't look neat, no matter how you fiddle it. I could do it again at a later stage, but whenever you try to feed all the wires in and around, you can get them in. But for me, this plug here, which plugs into my new fire alarm, won't go deep enough in. Maybe if I cut a hole in the ceiling, it will, but I think the two things are really starting to annoy me. The fact that so I'm going to change the base. So I'm going to change the bases, and you've no need then to use this here or this wire, because the base allows you to plug in directly to. So where you have this plug here, which goes into your FireAngel, the base of the FireAngel just lets you push that straight in. You just marry up the arrows and then just push them in. It's got a wee backup 9-volt battery. Right, here goes. It's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Straightforward, like, but this is not telling you how to wire, because I had to ring a spark because the wires were a different color. All right, so it's just showing you that obviously, depending on your base, whether it'll be a straightforward connect up or you have to change the base as well. So I had to make 2 visits to screw fix. So that's the base screwed off, and I just have to, although I've just put the new wires in, I've decided to take the base off and put a new base on. So it's going to do away with that connecting block there, and then these are obviously mains fire alarms, so obviously if one goes off, they all go off, but it means if the kitchen goes off and there's a fire in there, that it'll wake us in the bedroom. Well, that's the idea anyway. So I'll just swap these all over here, take a block off, take a base off, put the new base up and screw it all up, and I'll show you when it's fixed. This is the wee base for the FireAngel. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's the 3 prongs just here. That's what the fire alarm just slides straight into. And obviously when you're changing the battery, it just pulls out. There's no wires with it, so you can take it straight down or whatever without fiddling around. What I did like with these here, now I'm putting them up, is the ones I'm taking down obviously don't have a backing on them, so any dust or anything from the ceiling falls down through it. Usually you can see it land on the floor. So like this here, these are stuck on. It's a foam, but it's stuck on the back. We just punch your nail through it and stick it to the roof, and that's it. So I do like. Oh, there's the new fire alarm and the base in. As you can see, it's nice and neat, and it's white. It's not cream. Very easy to fit up, easy to test as well. All in all, very happy, and you can see it's a nice fit from base to